Welcome to WGU's Enrollment Portal, your personal gateway to a seamless admissions and enrollment experience. If you've reviewed our website and determined that WGU's Pre-Licensure Bachelor of Science in Nursing program is right for you, you've come to the right place. This video will introduce you to the Enrollment Portal and walk you through some of the key steps involved to receive a timely admissions decision. First, head to apply.wgu.edu. This is where you'll set up your WGU account by entering your email address, choosing a password, and clicking the Register Now button. Once signed in, you'll set up your profile. This will involve providing some basic details about yourself, such as your name and mailing address, education history, employment, personal background, and the degree program you're interested in. When you click the Next button, you may see this pop up. If so, it's because the nursing pre-licensure degree program isn't offered in your state. You can choose another degree or check back again at a later date. The Prelicensure Nursing BSN may be available in your state in the future. After selecting pre-licensure as the degree program, the clinical district related to your state will populate. Clinical district refers to where you will attend and complete 7 different in-person clinical rotations over the course of your degree journey. You'll be assigned to clinical partner sites within a 60-mile radius of your district. Bear in mind, this is a crucial component to the Prelicensure BSN degree. You must attend all the rotations in the same district, so make sure the district you choose here is the best fit for you. Up next is personal background. This important section will help you better determine your eligibility and readiness to start the program. Understanding the time commitment, lab and clinical schedules, and travel requirements will be crucial for your success. If you answer no to any of the questions in this section, an enrollment counselor will reach out to learn more about your situation and offer recommendations aligned with your needs and goals. Once you're through with some other basic questions about enrollment, you'll come to the Select Start Date section. Classes at WGU conveniently start on the first day of every month. However, since a variety of factors can impact when you actually begin the nursing pre-licensure degree program, it's recommended that you view the desired start date as a goal date. If that month turns out to be too soon, you can always change it later to the one that will work. Now that you've completed setting up your profile, you're ready to start your enrollment application. You'll do that at the My Application page, where you'll see a list of requirements for you to complete. Some of these requirements include submitting your application essay, requesting transcripts, and validating your LVN or LPN license. As you complete the requirements, the open circle next to each requirement will be filled by a check mark. This is a convenient way to see what requirements you finished and which you have left. Alternatively, if you click on the WGU logo at the top left, you'll be taken to the home page where you'll see what requirements are up next. Be sure you address each one as they're all factored into the admissions decision. The faster you complete them, the sooner you'll receive that decision. One of the requirements to be aware of as you go is request your transcripts. Once you begin with this task, the status bar will change from Not Started to In Progress. You'll also notice that new tabs appear at the top of the page: Readiness Center and Financial Help. The Readiness Center tab houses several sections that are critical to successfully preparing for your program. These sections will help you gain a solid understanding of how WGU courses work and the structure of our online program. Completion of the Readiness Center sections is part of the admissions process and must be completed before you are officially added to the roll. The Financial Help tab has a collection of resources that can help you pay for school, such as scholarships, federal financial aid, military benefits, and more. You'll also see a tuition calculator, which is not program-specific. Pre-licensure has a standard path and is paced to be completed in 8 terms or 4 years. You may be able to accelerate if you have transfer credits and additional time commitments, but the minimum time for completion for pre-licensure is 2.5 years. Students following standard pacing are dedicating over 30 hours per week toward their studies. Congratulations on your decision to apply to WGU's BSN Pre-Licensure program. We hope you found the enrollment portal to be easy to use. If you need help with anything, don't hesitate to contact us and let us know. Hover over the downward-facing arrow to the right of your name and click on the Contact Us that pops up. That will take you to a page where you can send a message Call our enrollment support team or schedule a callback so they can reach you at a time that's convenient. Thanks for watching, and best of luck as you embark on your degree journey.